Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky with two fantastic drones, the Holy Stone HS440 and the ATTOP Drone. So buckle up because this comparison is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk cameras. The HS440 boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's embarrassing backyard karaoke sessions in stunning detail. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone flexes with a 2K camera and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers have praised the HS440 for its camera quality, noting that it streams well to a phone and captures decent footage. On the other hand, while the ATTOP Drone offers higher resolution, some users have found the app unresponsive and had issues with the drone's functionality. Overall, if you want reliable camera performance, the HS440 might be the safer bet. Next, we have flight time. The HS440 offers up to 20 minutes of sweet airtime with a single charge. Reviewers have confirmed this, noting that the drone does indeed live up to its promised flight time, even under real-world conditions. The ATTOP Drone also promises 20 minutes, thanks to its two modular batteries. However, some users reported that the battery life is around 15 minutes, and additional batteries might be needed for extended flights. To summarize, the HS440 provides a consistent flight experience, while the ATTOP Drone might require some extra planning for longer sessions. Now, let's talk about how user-friendly these bad boys are. The HS440 is packed with features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers have praised its ease of use, stating that even beginners can quickly get the hang of it. However, it does struggle a bit in windy conditions. The ATTOP Drone brings in the fun with voice control, gesture selfies, and 360 degrees flips. Some users found it challenging initially but easier with practice. It's a great gift for older children and beginners, according to reviews, but its app functionality can be hit or miss. In essence, the HS440 is user-friendly and reliable, while the ATTOP Drone is fun but may require a learning curve. Safety first, the HS440 comes with emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Reviewers have noted that these features make it a durable and safe option, even surviving crashes and getting stuck in trees. The ATTOP Drone matches up with its low battery warnings and emergency stop features. However, some users experienced issues with the drone not being able to fly, even with a fully charged battery. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, making them easy to transport. Overall, the HS440 is robust and reliable, while the ATTOP Drone offers similar safety features but has mixed reliability according to reviews. Overall, the Holy Stone HS440 is praised for its reliability, ease of use, and consistent performance, making it a great choice for beginners and casual users. The ATTOP Drone, while offering higher resolution and fun features, has mixed reviews regarding its functionality and battery life, making it more suitable for those willing to experiment and troubleshoot. So which drone should you choose? If you're all about high-quality video and simple, reliable features, the Holy Stone HS440 is your go-to. But if you want a bit more bang for your buck with some extra fun features, the ATTOP Drone is calling your name. Either way, you're in for a sky-high adventure. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.